Speedy down at the northern site. He's going to eat one and take one. Up to the brick fence post to eat it. Blue jay down at the northern site. Oh, lucky down at the northern site. Speedy back down. You eat one and take one. Alrighty. Excellent. Speedy back. Oh, maybe a sparrow will get it. Yep.
And that will be lucky.
Blue jay down, southern site. Okay, blue jay finally down. He'll take some. Oh, this is lucky. He's taking them all. Okay, blue jay back down. Lucky is Fluffy waiting for us at her area. Sunny day. In the 40s temperature wise, so not too bad. Yeah, morning Fluffy. So my attention is on one thing, treats. Treats are down. Okay, eat most of them. Very good.
Get them both over.
We have two black-tailed deer on the hillside behind Adobe Park. Gonna zoom in, which means I won't be able to get both in at the same time. Okay, one's got antlers, so that's a stag. The other one I'm not seeing antlers on, so that would be a doe, but maybe I'm just not seeing them. Could be a younger stag with less antlers. You gonna walk over? Yeah, that'd be nice. Okay, they're over there. This Cooper's hawk is hiding in plain sight. Well, we had a bunch of park songbirds flittering around the table, near the table while we were setting up the food, and then all of a sudden they disappeared. And I looked over at the sycamore tree, because this is where we often see a raptor arrive at. Didn't see anything, but they didn't come back for the longest time, and they're just now kind of coming in, but they're real jittery. Now I see why. Is he gonna fly? It's a Cooper's hawk. It's the same one that we've seen here before. I believe this is an adult, not the juvenile though. But he's the reason for the scattered park birds. Okay, this is the juvenile Cooper's hawk. The adult left. Jay saw this one fly in, land about the same spot that the adult was. He has his back to us, but because juveniles don't yet have the dark half cap on their head. I can tell since he doesn't have it, he's a juvenile. I can't see the front of him, but the back of him is indicating juvenile. Looks like he's just starting to darken up a little bit on the top of his head where his half cap look will be. Well, they're the reason why our park birds are scattered, because, well, they have to for their own safety. Juvenile Cooper's hawk. So we might not have very many takers for food in the back area of the park where we are now, because they're aware he's there. And he's over there. Darn it. I mean, we like seeing them, we just don't like when they're here while we're trying to feed songbirds. Of California towhees. One's coming over. He's going to go for the live mealworm, I believe. Well, he started as the non-live, but he'll make his way over. He prefers the live stuff. Well, he seems to be enjoying the non-live, which is fine. Oh, there we go. Took one of the live mealworms. My goodness, I'm seeing 4 California towhees. Another one's landed on the nearby ground. Zoom out a little. And one's coming into view. There we go. And one of those California towhees is defender of the food. He's claimed it as his. Except for maybe his mate can have some. And another live mealworm gone. Well, you gonna come down? Oh, Fox Sparrow coming over. And he likes the cat treats. We're going to do one last short video before we head to the front area of the park and leave. He's the juvenile Cooper's hawk is still here. He's just preening, but his presence is enough to have the birds on edge and scatter quickly. He's watching. Okay, we're going to head to the front area of the park.
Just a parting video of our immature Cooper's hawk. The detail on his breast is fading and showing other signs of becoming fully mature adult.
Okay, we're back at Fluffy's and she's here. Yeah. No treats left from earlier. She'd eaten most of them, so what little was left she finished off. Fluffy! Yeah. Yeah? Oh, I think he's going to pull out his knife and try to get some of the gnats off of her neck area.
Morning.
Yeah. Yep. She says, I'm ready for those treats. We'll see you tomorrow, Fluffy. Speedy down at the sidewalk to get a mealworm. Come on, Speedy. Go get one. Good boy. Speedy on the southern side. He's gonna eat one and take one. Blue jay down. Taste put down the last of the live mealworms that he had. Speedy, you'll take the last one. Very good, Speedy.
Well, I was going to record a deer, but it went behind those trees there, so I couldn't make it out. So I'll just get this red-tailed hawk instead.